Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Applications for the importation of chicken back and neck will open on Friday. In a recent advertisement, the Agriculture Ministry says registered entities will be able to apply under the revised regime from April 1 to 8. In December 2020, an Integrity Commission report called for a halt to the issuing of import permits for chicken back and neck under current arrangements. The Commission's report highlighted a lack of transparency and fairness in the granting of the permits. It also criticized the Agriculture Ministry for giving preferential treatment to applicants on the basis of importation history. The report also suggested the integrity of the award process was compromised and hindered competition. The KLE Group is restructuring to shift focus from its restaurant business to other earning streams, including development. In an announcement to the Jamaica Stock Exchange today, KLE said it will transfer its restaurant operations to T&R Restaurants Limited, which trades as FranJam. FranJam is an associated company in which KLE owns a 49% stake. This means FranJam will assume full responsibility for the liabilities associated with the restaurant operations. KLE says it will continue to manage developments, including the BESA development project with its partner Sagicor Group Jamaica. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clarke has been appointed chairman of the Inter-American Development Bank IDB Board of Governors. Dr. Clarke was elected today. He is the third Jamaican to assume this role. The other two were David Corr in 1973 and Eric Bell in 1979. The governors are the highest policy formulation authorities of the IDB and IDB Invest. Governors are typically ministers of finance, ministers of the economy, or central bank presidents of their countries. Banks and cambios are selling the U.S. currency for an average $154.38. $122.57, 87 cents rather, is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $202.42 for the pound, and $171.36 for the euro. To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 1,302 points today, while the junior market index declined by less than a point. Among today's winners, Paramount Trading, Jamaica Broilers Group, First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares, Tropical Battery, and Lasco Manufacturing. On the losing side are the Sterling Investments US dollar shares, Mailpat Group, Key Insurance Company, SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, and JMMB Group 7.5% shares. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.